So today I'm going to show you how to make a candle with whatever you want. We can do it. We're scientists. Today's video is sponsored by, whoa, did you hear me squeak? Squarespace. So I got most of my stuff from this candle science place, including the wax, and on the wax it had the information on how to make it, which is great because I've never done this before. So let's go. So step one, I'm gonna make a double boiler and put in the wax and make sure it gets to this degrees Fahrenheit. And then I'm going to test out all these oils. I have some that are like the same smells, so I need to see which one I like the best as it melts the wax. For this first one, I just want 240 milliliters of wax, so I add a little bit more. And now I'm going to make my concoction. If I want to be able to repeat this, I should be keeping track of how much of each thing I'm doing. And then I'm also smelling it, seeing if I need to add a little bit of raspberry to it. So I smell them together and need more. And I just kind of did that till I got a concoction that I liked. I'm going to use this pipette to do 3 milliliters 9 times to make 27 milliliters. That will roughly make 10% of the total of this wax to oil thing. Take it off, mix it, add in some color. So I mix it because I want a little light white, off-white. And now to add the wick, and I found out which wick to use in the reviews of the website of the wax. So reviews, comments are a great way to find out what to do. I also have a magnet in case I want to move it after I've poured it at that Fahrenheit. And sure, let's add sprinkles, but they're sinking to the bottom. Oh no, how are we gonna fix it? Put in that, I drilled a hole in the cap, and now I can place it in there with the sprinkles in there and tighten it. And the idea is with the magnet in place, I can just shake it until it cools. It took forever, but it kind of worked, and I was just waiting for that to dry anyways. And by dry, I mean cool. So, clip the wick, and time to let it burn. Same with this one. Going to smush down it and clip the wick, let it burn. And there you go. Now we can make candles. We did it. Slap a sticker on there, the 111. I'm gonna take this home, and also I'm gonna try to make a candle with all my perfume ingredients. So I did all the math of how much wax to like oil I'll need. This thing holds I think 3 pounds, which is 1 grams. 10% of that is that much. Add that to that. Just do the little math where like now that the 10%, I need 10% of 169, so the difference and blah blah blah, math. Why did I add this? I don't know. For fun. You fun math nerds. So I mixed up the perfume stuff, and it has crystal in it. You're not supposed to do perfume ingredients in candles. This is a no-no, I believe. Again, you sweetheart candle nerds will probably tell people in the comments why. But for this, I think it's great and fun. So I added more wax, and also to make sure that the perfume oil and crystals became liquid, I also put in the double boiler and just added it to the wax. But even then, it like some of the crystals would start crystallizing, so I thought I could mix it up. And while it was all mixed up, I could add the wax to the cup and then shake it like I did the sprinkles. Shake, 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 shake. And it's fun. Use the magnet to get in place and shake, shake until I had all of them done. These were the little surprise gift I gave out to the first 50 orders of perfumes in the last perfume drop I did. So I just wrapped it up and sent it out. So cool.
Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. My favorite thing about Squarespace is it's your one-stop shop for all things website. You have an idea, you want to make that idea a reality, you want to make that idea real, you need to make a website. The best thing is they have templates, and it's like so user-friendly. Drag and drop. You can have a website built and looking professional and functional in one day. And you can do it with no credit card. So you can go to the link in the description right now to their website. When you do want to publish it or buy something, don't forget the coupon code Shmoxd to get 10% off your first. Why did I say first weird? Your first purchase. So go ahead.
Well, I hope you got some ideas on how to make a candle, how not to make a candle, and yeah.
Those flaming hot Cheetos.
I think my favorite idea from this experiment actually is kind of the crayons. Maybe if they didn't have the paper, they could like change colors as it melted. Then also the one with the surprise message in it. If I dialed that one in, I think it could be cool. So yeah. Okay. Love you. Goodbye. Alright, so be sure to like and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that bell notification. And yeah.